Hi there. Today, I will instruct you to manage your profile and company information on our Deal Success platform. Let's get started now. First, we'll see how we can manage the profile. From the right side of the menu bar, click the avatar. Select Profile. You can see that this page also lies in the section General of your preferences in the settings. Let's start filling in the information with your first name and last name. These two fields are compulsory. Then, fill in your phone number. After completing all the information, click the Save button and you will see the message updated successfully on top of the screen. You can also upload or update your avatar by clicking the circle above profile image. This avatar will be updated on the top right corner of the page. Next, we'll see how to manage the company's information. From the right side of the menu bar, click the avatar. Select My Company. You can see that this page also lies in the section Account Defaults of Account Setup in Settings. Let's fill in the information with your company name in the Display Name text box. This field is compulsory and is shown public where needed. Continue to fill in the fiscal year and the time zone. This information will affect your report and all the date and time values used inside the product. These two fields are compulsory as well. Then fill in others in the Company Information section. If you do not know all the information now is fine, you can update them later. After completing all the information, click the Save button and you will see the message updated successfully on top of the screen. Let's create some users for your company. From the right side of the menu bar, click the avatar. Select Users. You can see that this page also lies in the section Users of Account Setup in Settings. To create new users, click Create User. A pop-up is displayed on the right side of the screen. Fill in all the compulsory fields: email, first name, last name. Click Create to add your new user to the company's users list. The system will send an email to this user and wait for them to activate their account. After that person verifies the received email and activates their account, the status will be changed from pending to active.